Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to boost Tinder swipe visibility. So I just logged into my Tinder account and from here I will move in my profile icon which is right bottom corner. So after this you will see this purple icon, that's my boost. So I will just tab on it to boost. So from here you get more boost. So I will just tab on it. So after this it will be said you can purchase the package for 5 boost. So it's only for 6.590 dollars, and it may give you discount about 17%. So you must be subscribed this plan. So add a credit card for subscriptions. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.